I've already introduced you to the range of 3 drainer groove jigs from Scribe-Master. So in this video, I'm going to concentrate on the DG Plus. Now the first thing visually you'll notice is that it's not the same straight or fanned completely across the whole jig. And that's because we have removable center plates, which leaves us with an outer frame. So how does the outer frame work? What does it bring to the table? And what are its advantages? Well, as with any other drainer jig on the market, it has the built-in fall on these skids on the outside. So when it's clamped to the worktop, it's going to give us our built-in natural fall. If you've ever used a standard drainer jig, you will know that there's a lot of flex in them. Well, this has been overcome because across all the board of all the drainer groove jigs from Scribe-Master, there is something called anti-bow technology, or flex tech, which is simply these stainless steel grub screws that go completely through the center spars, that when it's down on the worktop, we literally tighten them down so they just touch, and as we're going over with the router, it takes all the bounce out, which means if you've ever experienced, if you're pushing hard in a hard material, the router going in and out, because they're naturally tapered because of the fall, they go in and out. So you spend all that time just really for a pretty poor result. So flex tech, anti-bow technology. The other thing is that with a standard drainer groove jig, once you've machined it, you have to unclamp it, and once you take it off the workpiece to see what's going on, if you've got any vibration, any chatter, any sort of indiscrepancies in your drainer grooves, it's almost impossible to get it back absolutely on point. And this is where the outer frame comes into it, because once that's clamped into place, I can put the insert in, and this here, because we have 2 different drainer styles, you're actually getting 2 jigs in one. So if I want to do just the straights, I machine the first 4 straights, I lift it out, simply flip it over. I'll then have to, on this side, readjust our flex tech grub screws. We machine the next 4, then I can simply take it out, inspect my work. If I'm happy with it, it's fine. If we just want to linish off the grooves, we can set the router 1/4 of a mil deeper, and we know that we can get it perfect. So there are a couple of options of insert plates: straight fan, straight. We have this here which we're calling a lightning bolt, and this one here is a curved fan. So you can have one outer plate, keeps your datum line. You've got flex technology, and you've got a choice of 2 plates, which gives you 4 different designs, something that nobody else does.